Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and this is Summertime Haruka, who I absolutely love. I just got her a few weeks ago. What, 3 weeks ago, maybe? Less than? More than? Around there. And I made her this little Wonder Woman dress. I really like it. I lined it up here so that it wouldn't stain her. She needs red boots, and I thought I had those on the way, but something has happened and I might not get them. However, look how this bag came from eBay. I'm a little cautious about that, but I bought her a little something, and I want to be careful because it has thin straps. And open this up. I thought it was cute. Okay. Oh, okay, it's in another little bag. Looks like I cut that bag. Okay, this is wrapped weird, but out we got it. How cute is this? I found this on eBay. Did I cut that bag? I don't know. Let's just pull it out and move on. Move on. I will save that bag because I do wrap my clothes in bags before I put them in the tub. How cute is this? And they are lined with white. Oh, it's even got a snap. Oh, I'm glad I went ahead and got that other. I bought this from a seller on eBay. I thought it was so cute for those fall days coming up where it's so hot outside, but you still want something fall. Let's put this on her. Oh my God, this doll is so cute. Is this the cutest little outfit? Look at this. Let me turn it slowly with my wrist. There are 2 snaps on the top and 2 snaps at the pants. Just so cute. I'm really glad I went ahead and got this. I do sew for my dolls, but you know, once in a while, you just want something from someone else. Oh, I like that on her. She's such a cute doll. I love her face. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.